Afenifere crisis deepened as youth demand Adebanjo to step down as Afenifere leader. A group of youth under the aegis of Yoruba Afenifere Youth Organization of Nigeria has passed a vote of no confidence in Adebanjo's leadership. The leader of Pan-Yoruba Social Cultural Organization, Afenifere, the group advisor Adebanjo to kindly step down as the acting leader of Afenifere in the interest of the organization and the entire Yoruba race, the group demand. They made the call at a press conference held in Lagos on Tuesday after a joint session of Afenifere youth national leaders in Yoruba land, including Kogi and Kwara State. The group condemned the suspension of 2 national officers of Afenifere by Adebanjo. The youth group said they did not approve the leader of the group. This was said was not approved by the leader of the group, Fashoranti. Reacting to the claim, Adebanjo said, "Their father cannot talk to me, yet they are telling me to step down. If they have gotten some dollar from Tinubu, it is their affair, not me, to carry on." On the claim that he have been working against the Yoruba interests, Adebanjo said, "Tinubu himself will not talk to me like that. We have been fighting for Yoruba interests before their grandfather were born. I do not know them," he said. "Everybody wants to be relevant. They want to have say, and that is why they are asking me to step down. Who are they? They are just gathering themselves that I should step down after they have used Fashoranti, which would not work." Adebanjo hit back at them. Meanwhile, Adebanjo on Tuesday played a host on Igbo social cultural group Oye Ndi Igbo. In his remark during the visit, he said, "Nigeria should rather be mourning than giving ethnic profiling and religious sentiments that criticize the guiding of general election." He added that no regrets in supporting the Igbo presidency because of justice, equality, and fairness. He said he has received a lot of attack for supporting the Igbo presidency, but the fact remains that his integrity is intact and he has been the only one calling for justice and equality in Nigeria.
This is ODUA TV Watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.